In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 17 to Me TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily screen mirror anything on your iPhone 17 or any other model to a smart TV. To do this, first swipe down from the control center and you will see a bunch of features and options natively built into your iPhone. One of them is going to be the screen mirroring menu. It might be here in the middle or all the way down at the bottom. Just find this icon and tap on it. Something else before I proceed that I need to make clear is that this method will only work if both your TV and the iPhone have been set up in the same Wi-Fi network. So if you haven't already, connect your Me TV to the same Wi-Fi network. In this menu, you should be able to find it. So in this example, I have a Samsung TV, but of course for you, it is going to be labeled as Me TV. If you see it here, just tap on the TV and screen mirroring will begin right away. If for whatever reason this doesn't work, don't worry. You can head over into the settings on the TV and look for Apple AirPlay. Make sure that it is enabled, and as long as you enable Apple AirPlay on the TV, then it is going to appear on the list and allow you to establish the connection for screen mirroring. If it is still failing, then the last option is going to be to download this app. This app serves the exact same purpose as the control center feature, but of course it can be used if that one is not working. So look for DoCast Screen Mirroring to TV on the App Store and download it. Once you open the app, all of the smart TVs on your network nearby will appear, and then you can find your Me TV and select it from the list. Once you choose your Me TV, it is going to be selected here, and you can choose to share your screen, photos, videos, music, anything you have on your iPhone. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.